drove out for this shake. As you can see, it's very thick and very cold. I didn't drive out for this shake. This is new Thick and Frosty from Bird's Eye. Thick and Frosty is very thick and very cold. It comes frozen and mixes up with milk. It's as thick and cold as what I drove out for. But, as you can see, I didn't drive out for it.
You're looking at the U.S. Car of the Year, chosen by Road Test Magazine. The 1971 Plymouth Satellite, with a totally new automotive design. Engineered and built with extra care. Plymouth Satellite, the Car of the Year, the Buy of the Year. See it at your Chrysler Plymouth dealers.
Hostess Cupcakes. Delicious, creamy cupcakes. So good to eat, you get a big delight in every bite. Soft, tender devil's food cake topped with thick, chocolatey icing. And inside, light Hostess-flavored creamy filling. You get a big delight in every bite. Give yourself a prize, lunchtime and snack time. Creamy Hostess Cupcakes.
Some people love cola so much, they can't stop drinking it. And for them, there's RC. With RC, you get a great cola taste that's easy on the syrup, easy on the gas. For people who can't stop drinking cola.
Zsa. Zsa.
Yes?
Have you tried Lowry's seasoned salt on hamburgers?
Are you joking? What is that?
You mean, what's Lowry's seasoned salt?
No, darling. What is a hamburger?
If you know all too well what hamburger is, try Lowry's seasoned salt with all the right herbs and spices beautifully blended to help you make the best of it.
Grab a bucket and mop. Scrub the bottom and top. There is nothing so clean as my burger machine. With a broom and a brush, clean it up for the rush. Before you open the door, or to shine on the floor. When we finish one dance, start all over again. Tell me, what does it mean? At McDonald's it's clean. You deserve a break today. So get up and get away to McDonald's, McDonald's, McDonald's.
The long look. There's no end to it at Kinney. Kinney's boots are beautiful and right up there with the highest kind of style. For cold climates, all climates, indoors or out. I think it's awfully smart for a girl to own a wardrobe of boots. And Kinney has all the great lengths from $15 to $25. In fact, Kinney has all the great boots for everyone in the family. But that's another story.
Yes, sir. You're new here, right? Yes, that's right. First day on the job. Give me a beer. Here. Hold it. What's that kind? Oh, that's Old Milwaukee beer, sir. Old Milwaukee. All right, give me that. Only, it had better be good. Better be good? I expect a lot from a beer that's named after Milwaukee. I would hate to be disappointed. Hey! How come you didn't tell me
this beer is so good.
It takes a lot of nerve to name a beer after the city that means beer. Old Milwaukee. That's a tough name to live up to. But this beer tastes as great as its name.
You'd better believe it, sir.
22 more seconds and it's you, Harry Wilson versus morning, with Kellogg's Cornflakes waiting to help. They're designed for morning. They're fast when you're slow. They're cool and inviting, easy on your eyes and your stomach. And Kellogg's Cornflakes nourish you too, Harry. They've got iron, niacin, and thiamine to give you the important nourishment of whole grain corn. Come on, Harry. Let's you and us face morning together.
Come discover the world of Kleenex Boutique.
Come discover.
Kleenex Boutique tissues. Full-size tissues in skinny mini boxes. Go anywhere, go everywhere tissues. Show-off tissues, shimmered with color, splashed with scent. Bathroom tissues to mix or match. Or super solids. Or posh paisleys.
Come discover.
Kleenex Boutique towels. Lush, flush towels. Extra soft, extra wild for color.
Come discover.
Kleenex Boutique napkins. Fun enough for a picnic for two. Fancy enough for breakfast in the garden.
Come discover Boutique.
The Kleenex Boutique collection. It's flair. Wrapped up and sold by Kimberly Clark.
There are dress lovers, chess lovers, nap lovers, lap lovers, tap lovers, but nobody loves a paper towel. There are home lovers, money lovers, honey lovers, funny lovers, but you can't actually love a paper towel. But if you could love a paper towel, it would be ours. Coronet, likable paper products from Georgia Pacific.
You know, there's no doubt about it. The very best way for me to take pictures of you is with a Kodak Instamatic X camera. You see, with this camera and with this film, there's no doubt about the loading, the shooting, and, would you watch? It takes flash pictures without flash batteries. Now, for a limited time, you can get a Kodak Instamatic X15 camera in the special Kodak Smile Saver Kit for less than $25.
Kodak makes your pictures count.
Let your fingers do the walking through the yellow pages.
Playing with yarn is stupid, but cat owners expect it. Part of the image.
How about some din-din?
They also expect you to be finicky. Watch me be finicky.
Some 9 lives, dear?
Uh-oh.
Chicken, liver, tuna.
Tuna? Wow. Rich red tuna meat.
9 lives. The nutritious foods cats really like. Even Morris.
Dear Diary, today I was not finicky.
If you want it, here it is. Come and get it.
Hello, this is Shirley Jones. You know, an Air Force ROTC scholarship offers you more than a tuition-free education and free flying lessons. Take them up on it, and you'll find yourself as an officer on America's aerospace team.
Here it is. Solid luxury. New Charger SE, completely restyled this year.
Sir, I'd love a Charger, but,
Oh, family man, huh? Yeah. I'll tell you what. Looking for economy. Good mileage. Yeah. Lots of room, of course.
right on. What do you got?
How about this?
A Charger? You're putting me on.
New Dodge Charger. If your family's too young for square wheels, you can't afford not to be Dodge material.